Okay, let's record independent development. Some thoughts and progress on the YouTube tool station. First, we see this picture. We drag to this text, move this mouse over. It can squeeze it, it can stretch it. Then we can change his position. The most important thing is his color and font. We can customize it directly. And let's look at where this inspiration came from. We close this first. As you can see, I have now launched a software. Then this software, we give it to move over. You can see the name of this software. This is an open source photo editing software. But I find that there are many functions that I can't use. It has a certain cost of use. For example, I want to open a file right now. Then we select our folder. We choose a picture. Click to open. This picture is out. Then I use a picture overlay function here. Click to fill. Make a layer. Add image. Then we add a still image of the human face. Okay? So this is super big. Then also click on the layer here. Click this to zoom in. And then I give him a number. Like 300. Then he locks his length and width. Then the picture gets smaller. Then you can drag him here. Nothing else works. Here we choose a text tool. We enter a text. Okay, give it all after the test. After selection, here I choose one for it. Click OK. OK, this font of such a text will come out. Then we can drag and drop it. Well, move the mouse over this text. It can see this text. I send a picture to this text up. Add this background. The portrait came out. And then here I'm going to go in and export it. Export. I want to change this name. Avoid being overwritten. Then the export is successful. This picture is exported. But I don't need such a complicated function. I don't need this pile of stuff. I just need to add a title to them. We wipe it off. And then we go to our website. I just need to select one of my pictures here. Then the text style of this YouTube title. It's all fixed. I just need to run and keep my uniform style. I don't even have to open my local software. I'm on my Mac OS as well as my Linux. Or anywhere you can open a browser. I can use it. This is what I really want. And there's no learning cost. And we're going to cut into that. As I said in the previous videos, I'm on this little x86 console. Deployed this open source database from Superbase. You can see the K you just saw on my YouTube. There's also a Google login. Then I deployed a BTC server. There may be a paid subscription later, or membership or sponsorship. And then a static website that I'm going to deploy on. You can understand as now it is equivalent to an independently developed, a small host. My front-end database and payments are deployed on it. Old rules. Turnaround. This is the whole process that I developed independently. Deploy all services locally. Then use the FRP intranet to penetrate to the public network. It's available for everybody to use. As long as this network continues. In theory, there will not be much service. The data won't change much either. So I want to wrap up today. What is it? Well, I built one. This is a tool station for YouTube Kit. I haven't decided on its function yet, but I want to focus specifically on YouTube to personalize a process of my own. If there are useful functions in the back, I'm going to pull it out to the public tool for everyone to use or share it with relatives and friends. This way he doesn't need to edit the software. When editing this title is a software. When editing this background image, it is B software. Then when editing the style of this C, another paid C software, I need to spend 4 or 5 pieces of software on in order to achieve my own satisfactory effect. And each one has a learning cost and a paid cost. I can go straight to customizing it. I only keep one style of my own. I upload directly, drag and drop, save. Now all my pictures are compressed. Word processing, background portrait processing. There are some other processing on it. Complete all working days. For me, if I upload 1 video or 10 videos, I'm going to skip a lot of weird steps and can achieve my effect with 1 click. This is what I need in the end. Then the first one is used the most. It's this YouTube headline. Because you want traffic to grow. Then his cover and title. It accounts for 70% of your video's weight. No matter how good your video is, if your cover is not good, your title doesn't match suit, or it doesn't express what the user wants to see. First of all, he won't find it at all. Second, even if he saw your cover, he may not be interested in clicking in either. So these two are the most critical, and you only need to do video related, then no matter on any platform. You can't go around those 2 things. Only these 2 meet the standard. You just consider doing this optimization. The content of the video, or edit, or sound effect, or background music, or some other way of shooting. Then for me, this is the title I come into contact with every day. And I now make it mandatory for me to show my face. Those who tell you not to show your traffic face will not get up. Although you show your face, the traffic will not get up. But it can increase the affinity of the algorithm. It can also increase user recognition. So that's it. My initial task now is to break it down. First, I can choose a picture that I have processed, then add the title I want to it. The title is a fixed font and a fixed size and color. Then the border of his text is fixed. We can take a flexible solution later. But he was fixed for me in the early stage. You don't have to think so much. Just use it directly, just like this Canvas platform. He has written templates. Its color is relatively heavy. So today's task is to get the title done first. Then I will remove the background of this API. Also connect the last effect I want to complete is the title. Can be embedded in my picture. My area. The background of the character can be embedded in my picture. I can choose my picture. And when downloading the picture, I can check if my picture is larger than 2 megabytes. Is his picture 16:9? In line with this YouTube specification, run this series of tests on him. Then when downloading, we can pre-process it. Pre-processing can make it achieve the standard for uploading covers to YouTube. It doesn't have to be more than 2 trillion. You can't upload it. Then when the cover size does not meet the standard, we'll produce some black borders. These are carefully designed by myself. Understanding YouTube's standards. Then you don't have to think about the meaning behind the program. Alright, close the video. That's the end of today's video.